Hey folks, I'm Mike Evers, OrthoWorld Senior Market Analyst. In this video, we'll discuss the Orthobiologics segment, including some unique challenges, its innovation pipeline, as well as the acquisition and funding landscape. So let's dive in. Generating robust clinical data is required to set your product apart from the competition. But that's only part of the battle in a product category with no hardware. While NAS and AAOS can help drive surgeon decisions, OBio companies must view hospitals and economic buyers as key stakeholders as well. OBio companies are competing in a space with lots of widgets and hardware that stakeholders can touch and feel. So this segment requires a different approach. Companies that prioritize messaging and education as core commercial functions are going to have an advantage. Orthobiologics are taking aim at some of the largest unmet needs in orthopedics. Today, let's talk about degenerative disc disease, or DDD, and cartilage repair. DDD has a potential 15 million patients in the US alone, and current treatment options are really limited to the extreme endpoints, pain management or spinal fusion. But DDD care is approaching a critical turning point. The next 5 years may bring the first FDA-approved disease-modifying treatments for these underserved patients. Likewise, the cartilage repair market is in transition from palliative approaches to regenerative treatments. Cartilage injuries from sports, trauma, and age-related degeneration impacts millions of patients worldwide. Current treatment modalities aren't standardized, reflecting the reality of a diverse array of cartilage defects. So dozens of companies are seeking to develop the next generation of cartilage repair products that could be more effective, easier to use, and more cost-efficient. While some of these programs look promising, historically it's been very difficult to demonstrate clinical benefit for cartilage repair. Some surgeons we've spoken to have identified orthobiologics as the potential future of spine care. And acquisition and funding trends are starting to reflect that sentiment. We've tracked 51 acquisitions involving orthobiologics over the last 10 years, accounting for about 14% of all acquisitions in that period. From 2017 to 2021, 11% of acquisitions involved OBio. From 2022 to year-to-date 2026, that number climbed to 19%. It's the largest increase for any segment in orthopedics over that time. Like acquisitions, funding for this segment has accelerated since 2022, but not to the same extent. OBio contributed about 12% of all funding announcements from 2017 to 2021, and 15% from 2022 to year-to-date 2026. Okay, that's it for today, folks. You can take a deeper dive into this topic with our companion article available on orthoworld.com. OrthoWorld Elite members also have access to our decade-spanning data sets for company sales and acquisitions. Make sure you like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for analysis as we get into the home stretch of 2026. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'm Mike Evers, and I'll see you next time.